Hi everyone, before I get on to it, remember to like, subscribe, and comment down below, and head over to my Patreon page to help support the channel. Well, today I'm going to talk about wild lettuce. Now, what you can do with wild lettuce is, today we're talking about getting rid of acne. Now, if you have a latex problem, this is not for you, because we're using the latex of the plant. Now, it's the sap that's in the stalk that we're using. So, trusty knife, pull right out, and you want to take a nice cut. And what's forming is, I'll show you a close-up. Now, right on the end of this stalk, now this is a small stalk, there is some sap forming, the latex. Now you take that and use it where you have a little bit of acne. Now, let's imagine, I don't have any because I like to keep my face clean. If I had a little bit of acne on my chin, so I would take this right from the stalk and dab it around and then rub it. Now, I would do this a few times a day for a few days, and then the acne will start going away. Now, you would need to use it for a while, and then you'll be better. But yes, native cultures use this for acne. So get outside and find some. And remember, get outside, get fresh air, have fun. See you next time.